What's good, YouTube? Today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how you get infinite ammo in Fortnite Creative, right? So as you guys can see, I don't have it on right now. Like every single time I shoot, boom, boom, like my ammo's literally running out, right? But if you want to have it infinite, what you have to do, you have to click on your settings, right? Once you click on settings, you have to click on island settings, right? Then once you click on that, what you have to do is scroll down to the fourth option. So one, two, three, fourth, right? So once you click on player, you have to scroll all the way down, right? So from here, just scroll down slowly, scroll down slowly, scroll down slowly. Then once you scroll down, there should be an option. It should be after build mode where it's that inventory, right? After inventory, it should be right here where it said one, two, three, four, the fourth option again, where it's that infinite reserve ammo, right? You just click on that. You don't even have to apply it, just automatically applies by itself. Now if I go back, every single one of my gun is just gonna reload by itself, every single one of them, right? Now you just wait, boom. I literally have unlimited ammo, right? I can literally shoot unlimited stuff. See this? And that's how you get unlimited ammo in Fortnite Creative. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.